Hello, hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Warren G-chan and I'm here now in Hamburg, Germany. So what I'm gonna do guys now is I'm going to go around, I'm going to show you. This is actually my first time here in Europe and I'm very excited. And I came here to visit my sister and also my nephews and nieces. Being in Hamburg, Germany is absolutely a dream come true. Yeah, this is my beautiful aunt. Bakit ayaw mo? Ayaw na yan. Hamburg has become one of the Europe's most important cultural and commercial center, as well as a major tourist destination. The city is best known for its famous harbor area, the Port of Hamburg. Many of the most interesting things to do in Hamburg are in this port area. The main reason that's why I went to Hamburg is to see my family that I haven't seen for 16 long years. Okay. Hello, say hello. Hi. This is Shara and this is Sophia. Sean, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. If there's one thing I learned in my life is, it's how important our families are. Your relatives may be loud and crazy, but your family is yours and makes up a huge part of who you are. Okay guys, welcome to London's Broken. London's Broken. Come here. Let's go to London's Broken.
London's Broken.
And this is Ayi, this is my cousin, and we're actually here in Hard Rock, and he actually managed the place, so it's nice to be here in Hard Rock, Hamburg. And this is my sister, and of course my Kuya Dundon. And this is my aunt, Melly. She's actually been here for more than 20 years?
30.
More than 30 years, yeah. And of course, my nephew and my nieces, they're busy. Okay, and as part of my visit here in Germany, actually been waiting here for so long, like, to try their beer. And I'm here now in Hard Rock. Where's my cousin Ayi is working here, so we're gonna have our dinner here. And now I'm gonna try their beer. Let me see. Steiner. Let me see. Oh my god, it's so good. Yan, Ate Melly, try mo naman sa iyo. Try mo. Yan. It's good? Oh. Let me show you something. What is the best things to see in Hamburg? We are here now in Ronfa, whatever. Yeah, we're actually going for a boat, and it's gonna be like it's gonna be 30 minutes.
30 minutes
So
going
30
there.
minutes going, and and we're gonna get to see some part of Hamburg. It's still part of Hamburg, correct?
Yes, of course.
So I'm so excited because I always, and everywhere I go, I always go for a boat ride. Like when I went to Chicago, but this is a different level because this is my first international travel and an international boat experience. So I'm so excited. Nice tour around the harbor, including close encounters with the big container ships, is the most impressive part. Since the port is as old as the city of Hamburg, one of the best ways to experience its rich history and culture is by booking a tour of the harbor.
Ist ein Hai drin, ne? Kann man da schwimmen?
And one thing I noticed here in Germany is, when regarding about mask, so unlike in America that we are using like any kind of mask that we want, like a fashion mask or something, but here in Germany we are only allowed to use this medical mask, which just makes sense. Hamburg was an important trading center in Europe. The convenient location of the port and its independence as a city and state for centuries strengthened this position. Spending my time with family is, I would say, is the best highlight of my stay in Hamburg, Germany. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so this is my third day in Hamburg. We are going to outlet. I'm gonna buy something for Simon because I didn't bring anything from the US. So, and one thing I learned about Germany is, it's very easy to drive. It's not that hard like United States that's so congested. I'm gonna show you guys. Speed limits in Germany are set by the federal government. And believe it or not, there are roads that has no speed limits, and it makes me crazy. Spending good time with your family will help strengthen relationship with one another. Children especially need to feel like they belong. Spending time with your family will make every member feel like a part of something special.
Wo ist deine Dings? Essen?
Hier,
Muss ich essen?
die Tasche.
Essen.
Muss ich essen?
Essen. It also reduces stress as it makes you happy and contented to be with your loved ones.
Mama, gib mir das. Mama! Mama, komm!
And now it's shopping time. Buying toys to my nieces is not only because I wanted to. The best toys engage a child's senses, spark their imaginations, and encourage them to interact with others. Ooh, wow! Ladybug? Ladybug, I wanna meet you later. Walang niya si Ladybug. Oh my God, Ladybug is here! Hi, Ladybug! Ladybug! One way of knowing someone's culture is through your taste bud. So we are here in Ninduf Mark, and we're going to try. They said very famous like street food here is a hot dog. So and they called it Krakauen. Krakauer. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it, and let's see how it tastes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try it now, and as you can see, the bread is like small, but the hot dog. Let me try. Oh my god. It's so good. It's like a very, very crunchy and outside, the skin. And the inside is very, very juicy. My god, that's the best. So, maybe in the future, you're gonna have a chance like to come to Germany. Don't forget to try this. My god, it's so, so good. So, do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Tasty.
Sister, you like it? Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? So today's my lesson in Germany, and we are doing karaoke and barbecue. One thing that excites me about traveling is I met friends that I can cherish forever. Okay, everybody sing. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance.
Caught in a bed romance.
Whoa, 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 caught in a bad romance.
Whoa, whoa. Caught in the bad romance. Oh, whoa. Caught in the bad romance.
Whoa, caught in a bad romance.
Oh, caught in a bad romance.
Whoa, caught in a bad romance.
Tingnan nyo. Caught in a bad romance. So while waiting for the airport and waiting for my flight, we decided to come here in McDonald's. Oh my god, you have no idea. Look at their burger. Oh my god, we don't have this in America. This is the real burger. This is so good. Yeah, so my vacation is done. We're going now to airport, and yeah, to summarize my experience in Hamburg is like really amazing. Yeah, but I'm going back again probably next year, and I can show you more. Yeah, and if you've never been to Hamburg, try to visit, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do. Once again, this is Warren G-chan, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Hamburg, for taking care of my family. This is not a goodbye. It's I'll see you again soon.